I have a question.
Ask a question. Answer, I will.
I hope there's nothing wrong with this meme.
Do you support racism?
What the f?
Hey, pick that up. What are you doing? Oh.
Oh, we have a little piggy here. He's so cute. No, you kidding? You're a monster. No. Okay, we have a little snake over here.
Kid.
Oh, come on. Why are you killing everything you see?
Roger Roach, launching off into space.
Favoriteness was listening to that.
These nuts. Got him. Alright, today we have this silly game. Let's play it. Noise, and I already told you don't call me. I'm reacting. Alright, I will call you next time. Goodbye. Alright, I'm back and I what? Bruh.
So pick me. Choose me. Love me.
No.
I'm at the crime challenge. Ready? Go. I still see your shadows.
Hamster. Man, I'm bored. Let me hear some music.
Want a break from the... If you tap now to watch a short... You'll receive 30 minutes of...
Hey kid, it's me, Peppino Spaghetti, your favorite character. I need you to come and help me stop Peppermint and the noise. They're up to no good again, and I need your help.
Mr. Beast is not real. Huh?
Junior, double, triple, whopper, 1 up and 9.26.
Oh, hey, you licking my peanut? What? Oh, finally, we got some fresh watermelon. Oh, you want it? Okay, go ahead. Alright, we have some. Okay. Come on, man, I want them too. Hey, what the fuck?
SpongeBob, me boy, you're 2 seconds late for work, boy. Get in the kitchen and make me some money, eh? Shut.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Welcome to Song Generator.
Yay.
Click Start to play.
Wait a minute. This may be a scam. Alright, listen here, lady. I know you're trying to scam me, but we should do something.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
I'm waiting.
Alright, you win.